So Guy, what are some of the strategies that you use to help keep a tattoo design readable?
Readability is key, especially when you're working with a design that has got a lot of detail to it or has a lot of different elements interacting. You don't want it to become a jumbled mess. So first of all, you need to ask yourself, what are the important shapes? Make sure that you design in such a way that the one or two most key elements are featured large and in a way that is, facing the viewer on the person's body. And your secondary elements, you're going to place them in such a way that works harmoniously with those and doesn't clutter things too much. Secondly, if you're going to be using line weight variation in the piece, which is always helpful for differentiating shapes, you're going to want to go strongest on the outlines around those important main shapes and thinner with the outlines on the other shapes. Finally, make sure that your shading in the design, your overall shading, creates large gradients and big areas of dark and light that are going to separate your foreground elements from your background. So between those three things, going large enough, going strong with your outlines, and using shading to separate your different shapes, you should be able to keep things nice and readable, even if you have a lot of detail.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to continue on to the next video, click here. To start from the beginning of the series, click down here. And if you're looking to learn from Guy and many guest artists, click this link right here.